को जोवा बिला लेरी बात दिलड़ी ले गो घाटी डोरे घा
Assalamu alaikum, good evening, all the brothers, sisters, and grandparents. Today I am going to discuss the main vegetable which grow in Thar during the spring season cause of clouds, thunders, roars. So this is for good, the best treatment of all the disease. I think this is only grew in Thar, which is the top 10 number desert in the world. It is a good cure treatment for the disease, and it is very these are precious and delicious things in eating and vegetable with the best wishes of the Subhan Rai.
हिरती फिरती धोरे ढे बइये रे